Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download games in rest mode on your PlayStation 5, as well as updates. So if we go up to the top and then go to Settings, let's go on down to where it says System. Then go to System Software, and then go to the right and go to System Software Update and Settings. And then go down to Download Update Files Automatically. Automatically download updates while your PS5 is turned on or in rest mode. Then go to Install Update Files Automatically, also right below it. Then back out of this screen, and then go on down to Power Saving. Go to the right and go to Features Available in Rest Mode. Then go to Stay Connected to the Internet. Make sure this is checkmark. While in rest mode, your PS5 can download update files and content. Then back out of here, and then let's scroll on down to Save Data and Game App Settings, and go on down to Automatic Updates, and then go to Auto Download. Your PS5 will check for the latest updates and download update files when they're available. Then you can go to Auto Install in rest mode. If you're using a game or app that's being updated, it'll close to allow the update files to be installed. So make sure all three of those different sections are checkmarked. Then you can back out. Now you need a game to download. So I'm just going to go to the PlayStation Plus Games of the Month, and I'm going to download one of these games. So I'm going to go to Alan Wake, and then I'm going to select a version. And then I'm going to go to the PS4 version. Looks like I already have the PlayStation 5 version downloaded. So I'm going to go to download, and it is now in my downloads and uploads folder under the quick menu. Now, to actually download this, while my PlayStation 4 is in rest mode, what I want to do is go over to Power, and then go to Enter Rest Mode right here. Charge controllers, download updates, and suspend your games. Now, this should only cost about $8 a year to have my PlayStation 5 in rest mode. Now, another thing that I could do is just press the power button on the PlayStation once, and this will place my PlayStation 5 into the rest mode. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.